Hi everyone, welcome to Lifewithapoorva. Welcome or welcome back. As I am seeing that a lot of subscribers are adding to my list, thank you so much for following me. So today we are going to make crochet top with a lot of granny squares. So I love making tops out of granny squares, or in fact anything out of granny squares. They are one of my best style to do crocheting. So yeah, this top I also made from granny squares and I love it and I wear it very often. It's a classic summer top. So I have got a indigo yarn. I think it's a eclectic yarn or it's mixed, I'm not sure. It looks lovely. I've got many of them. Like I found it in my local store. It's amazing, and I will be making small granny squares out of it, and we are going to join it and make a top. So let's get started. So I'm making a regular granny square. I made a magic ring and then I did double crochet 3 times, 2 chain, double crochet 3 times, 2 chain, double crochet 3 times and 2 chain, so that it can make a square. And then I'm just repeating the process again and again until I reach 5 steps. It's a basic classic granny square that I'm doing, and I'm already completed many of them, and I'm using 4.5mm hook. If you guys can see, because my yarn is that thick, you can use you can use the hook which is based on your yarn size. So here's an update. I have made a lot of granny squares. I think there are 26 or something, and I have to crochet more granny squares. So each square look like this. It's amazing that you can make these things out of a yarn and a hook, crochet hook. I love this. So now I'm going to make more of granny squares and join them, and let's see how it looks. So I have completed the squares, and this is how I measure my crochet tops while putting it on a t-shirt. I have completed my squares. Now I'm going to join them like this and like this for all the rows, and see you guys later. So it's 1 o'clock at night and I have completed joining these squares. This is front or back, anything it could be, and this is the back one. I have to sew in all these ends, and this is how it looks. So this is what it looks like. So there is no front and back for the top. You can wear it from any side. I just wanted you guys to have a close look for this. It's amazing. Every square has a different color, different shades slightly, if I may say. But yeah, this looks amazing. So this is the final product that has came out. So these are all the squares that I have joined, and this looks like this. Really proud of it. I love it.